What you reading? Really?
Yeah, I picked up this shirt here yesterday. It's completely short.
What does it say?
There's absolutely no way I can wear it. When did you baby? What's the difference? Look at it.
What are you learning, Gabriel?
You got a receipt? I can't find it.
Are you going to read to Mommy?
Look, forget about the receipt, alright? Even if I had the receipt, look at it. It's a hand puppet. What am I going to do with this?
Yeah, but how do I know we did the shirt?
Well, what do you think? This is a little scam I had?
What does Mommy's book say?
Shirt all over the city, conning dry cleaners out of money?
Are you reading to Mommy?
Get the money. I don't even want the money. I just once would like to hear a dry cleaner admit
What's it say?
that something was their fault.
Do you need me to turn the page for you?
Maybe you
How's
asked
that?
to be watched.
What do you think of that one?
No?
I know you like the other one?
Let me explain to you something, okay? With certain types of statistics, chemicals can react.
No, don't eat it.
You tell me you shrunk it. Just tell me you shrunk it.
What's it say? What's it say, Gabriel? Really? You read it to Mommy.
So smart anyway, huh? What do they do? Because they're clean? I'm sorry.
What's the Dada doing?
Pete showers 4 times
Gabriel.
a day and keeps
Hello.
me so don't give me hygiene.
What are you going to do?
No, I can't think of any solution.
Gabriel. Hello.
Unless, of course, they should meet with
Gabriel.
What do you think a hitman would charge to rub out
I guess he's really interested in that book, Daddy. Gabriel.
Well, it couldn't be too expensive.
Hello.
$15 a cat?
Hello.
What do you think, Jerry? You want to make 20?
Hello.
I'm no cat killer.
How about we go over there right now?
Are you studying with Mommy?
I really like the name, but George is coming back from the hospital. I gotta wait for him. But otherwise, I would definitely go.
Oh, so sleepy.